Hero, jing tip nom ta Kyrteng Jong candidate ki ban yo ban lit pule doctor lengba ka state quota seat tengin pule kat kum kini ki list ki blada payang ne. The government of Meghalaya is pleased to publish the list of selected candidate for Mbbs, BDS, BSLP, BAM study at the institution shown against each candidate in respect of the seat allotted to the state of Meghalaya for the set course during the academic session 24-25. Tengin pe ite Kyrteng Jong candidate selected candidate for Mbbs study open category. Kini ban lit pule doctor naka open category. Kashish sami kini kin check baik dekan mawai don ki bompat tip kin check baik tang naka neka NEET UG 2024 score kini ki we ki shpeni tang ma kin chim baik naka NEET UG 2024 score card jonga NEET. Kashish sami ndrus pak prapanyo kenai pesan ke PCBE kenai pesan point san. Maulana Azad, Akash Paul, Rohan Sharma, Afsana Rahman, Baharul Islam, Anshu Mishra, Wan Tebok Pator, Sanspak Kenai Pau, Ishraq Akil Khan, Rohit Ghosh, Anan Yadav, Anushka Ghosh, Sngau Hun Sungo, Sanspak Nyopau, Lady Harding, Port New Delhi, Nasir Hazan, Prodani, Sanspak Nyopau, Gloria Yasmin, Sanspak Andrup Khandai, Naki Katsangut, Kasi Indantang, Arngut. Naka open category mo. Tingin saya page ni waiting list. Sonu Thakur, Sharmin Kharkhongdi, Vishal Kumar Prasad, Ila Daiti Krim, Laksita Agarwal. And kanwan saka Kasi Jaintia category. Kasi Jaintia category sedang now Sanspak Andrup Ar. Sharmin Kharkhongdi, Ila Daiti Krim, Balarihun Kharluki, Ban Yatip Lang Nogandri, Manroy Khongla Mukim, Yasapej hi score card badigi percentage. Pin kraw kupar nong siang, Sanspa Arsan, Yoponi Grims. Gineru deba kijit hi mo, gini kijika puli. Layalang Lending Do, Queens Annabel and Masemoy, Iban Sudar Renja, McDonald Taryang, Dahun Bamon, Mebari Nosij, Ferrando Shabong, O'Neil Star Khongpai, Frankie Star Linkhoi, Silchar, Man Maharanja, Silchar, Livingston Rambai, Gandhi, Ma Penkamen Shisha Wanyang, Gandhi Medical College, Kongka Dakhar, and Inda Rikantino Gandri, Chhattisgarh, Iba Kodor Kharsentiu, Dr. VM Medical College, Darulin Namare, Ban Shan Borlang Sutanga, Dauni Terbor Pasi, Saspa Pravinyo, Sam Janai Sena, Roderick Pasa, Kamju Hi Mukim, Larissa Jasmine Basayomoy, Rims Impal, Chanmi Suchiang, Rims Impal, Demaya Lingdok Marshilong, Dao Hi Rambai, Dame Penshangan W Shulai, Iban Rilang Sutanga, Tetia Tim Plan, Hamika Melimngap, Lakon, Larry Brown, Khongla. Akan eventag ba ulas na khasi na selected day sauce pa andriu pandriu. Dia kam Q ka score menta. Ya compare ban ya last year. And selected candidate for Mbbs khasi Jaintia category PWD dan UA. Wakanirin Manki Shulai Lais Pak Prapandriu Tarap PWD yo Lais Pak Prapandriu la biang hi na opo nei games Shillong. Dan kini waiting list na up la dan bam wan join ni kita kini orang nok kini Gersil Sat Daphne Nongplu Altia Karjana Bot Phang Karngor Ban Kershan wan yang saus Pak San Punyo waiting list. And waiting PWD Lais Pak Nyusan. And nyepet yaga selected candidate for Mbbs study napok Garu category. Garu category sedang lasan spa South Khandai sya South Spa Lai Pendriu. Jongi nang de waiting list ini de horan ba ar napok Garu. Kajing ya perma. Waiting list jongi de South Spa San Punyau ba ar napok Garu category de South Spa Lai Pendriu. Mangong ne Savio Sangma, Jason Armarak, Am Diasha CH Marak, Meghali and Sangma, Bidora, Chuani Isano, Heidi, Menika, Rongrik, Ammesa, Thaisa Bilchan Prajakta Kyrteng Rimre Arne Alname Chigambe Donesia Justin Annie Vanesha Armarak Lais Palefue Janesia Tania Naidu Piona Dino Nigamchi Artibot Lais Parpar Arimesa Lais Parfue Grenora Pubot Tengkam Rosiana Azela Willy Arya Rol Aji M Sangma Noi don lai penyongut ini. Oh, start lai penyongut. Lai penyongut jong ikinon lai pendreu. Lai pendreu penyo okey lai penyo bat PWD. Ngai dan PWD nam. Okey am don PWD re. Mano hajang garo am don PWD re jong khase jongi don PWD wei long lai penyo. Waiting list Chena Mnogbi Belchang Tebisa Chonesa last day lies pa lai. Jing pair. Selected candidate for MBBS study others child tribe category. Philip Lal Dilsak Sote Sanspasan Pue Benita Hajong South Pass of Sun. Waiting list Guria Hajong Priya Tamarabha. Scheduled caste category Anurup Saha Tithi Saha Mihika Sajak. Saus Pak Anurup Khandai last is Lais Pak Khandai Sao. Puja Saha Lais Pak Reply waiting list. Then kini kibayo eka BDS study open category Sonu Thakur Sans Pak Anurup Sao waiting list Igar Silsat Alethia Wat Francine Nelly Thaba. Then Napok Hasi Jaintia Nam Taka BDS study Grisel Sat Alethia Kharjana Francine Nelly Thaba Terstar Berlong Sabat Ricky Rintatiang Ricky Star Rintatiang. Ni yo napok RIMS Regional Dental College pada napok RIMS Impal. Kini waiting list Wailat Biang Riti Angelin Adiala Krabor Nafisa Banbet Mati Badon Dors Himlon BDS Todi Garu Belchang Endrika Smith Ragning Wigatchi Kamsa waiting list Rugoto Selvicha Chinesa Chimetchi Miana Sam Gamchi Aneka. Naki OST category Sneha Hajong Umdon waiting list. Dam Laitkam lakut Umdon should apply. And selected candidate for BASLP study khas Jaintia category Fiona Mukim Saus Palip Sawanit yo po RIMS. Dan po Garo category Chimet Chi A Sangma Aspak Nefar po RIMS turo. Dan tangi waiting list Miana. Dan BAM studi khasi Jaintia kategori Angelin Karin Sungo Saus Pasan Par. Waiting list Napi Saban Bet Haumuj. So can notice selected candidate for the course as directed to report to the Health and Family Welfare Department, room number 502, additional building, Meghalaya Civil Secretariat, the 14th, 15th, and 16th of October 2024 before 5 p.m. for acceptance of the course and execution of the bond com agreement. Tikne kibal ami list kin haban lej kasau kasan kandriu. Candidates are requested to bring their passport size photograph. The bond should be executed in a non-additional stamp of 30 and a copy may be downloaded from meghal.gov.in. Selected candidate who failed to report according to the fixed date as specified above will automatically lose his/her right to nomination and the next eligible candidate will be nominated. Tangine hi kijing mitip have day but kilis jongine ki candidate ki bayo Leit Pule doctor BASLP BDS tangine hi khublei shibun.